So, how did displaced refugees literally build a thriving metropolis from scratch? Let's dive into this explainer on Gandhidham. Like Dr. Modi Prakash said, this is the ultimate story of resilient people turning dust into absolute gold. Just imagine the sheer willpower it took to build a massive new city post-partition. Unreal, right? Well, Kutch was the perfect spot. Its coastal geography and similar dialects offered a deeply familiar refuge. The pace was staggering. Within months of the 1947 partition, land was approved and foundations were actually laid. To make this happen, a massive 15,000 acres were granted by the Maharao of Kutch. Absolutely huge. This was all thanks to visionary Pai Pratap. His tight bonds with Gandhi and Patel were a total game changer. They used cutting-edge urban planning. We're talking Chandigarh-style grid systems, artesian wells, and prefabricated hollow blocks. Their rapid on-site construction was wildly innovative. Those buildings even withstood a massive earthquake in 1956.
Gandhidham was decades ahead of its time, boasting synced public transit and brilliant international architectural design.
But hey, the rapid rise of this cooperative port town holds even more fascinating untold secrets. You can uncover this entire incredible history by checking out the Sindhi Bolio Odak podcast. You'll hear firsthand accounts from amazing experts like engineer Deepak Ramchandani, who literally lived through this history. Plus, discover deep details about the massive Kandla port expansion and their genius shortest address housing system. So, ready to explore the full story of the city built from dust? Go watch that podcast today.